Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Well, this is my new headphones, Armaggeddon Ironsight Nuke 7 2019 edition. So I'm a bit late, I guess. 7 color lighting with pulsating EFX. Um, I'm not really into flashing lights, but this was available quite cheap. On the sticker it says 99 ringgit Malaysia, but I actually got it for 95 95.50 including postage, right? So 7.1 surround sound gaming headset. The box is quite big. The ultimate 7.1 gaming headset, ultra durable Kevlar reinforced cable, oval ear cushions designed for full ear coverage, perfect for long wearing comfort, extra large 500mm diameter drivers with neodymium magnets. So I have no idea what it means. Hopefully that means that it has got good quality sound. Okay, that's what I'm concerned with. Okay, I bought this a couple of days ago, but didn't have the chance to open it. Okay, so I've got the stickers. Okay, something in the box. User manual. Right, here are the cables. Quite flexible. Okay, quality control pass. Armageddon. We live in your game. I had an Armageddon headphones, a long time ago, and I'm quite happy with the quality. Since then I have changed a couple of headphones, so I'm going back to Armageddon again. USB connector. Alright. I'll hook it up and see whether we can have the flashing lights. Okay, that's now plugged in. Yeah, I can see the light changing. Pink, purple, yellow, orangey, now moving to green. Nice. On both sides. And yeah. Okay, so thank you for watching Take care. Bye.